Hello everyone, in this video, we will learn how to use the Mac terminal to check your network status. Terminal is a powerful tool that can help you diagnose and solve various network problems. First, hold down the Command and Space keys to search and open the terminal application. Then tap Network Quality and press Return to check the network status of the Mac. Now the test is completed. We can see the download speed and upload speed of our computer network. And that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.